How to add a video to your homepage on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a video to your homepage on Shopify. So let's get into it. You will open up your Shopify admin and you'll get right here. Then you have to go to your online store and open up themes. It will open up your website for you. Click on customize. So it will take us to the homepage where we can edit the homepage for our website, and I'll show you how we can go ahead and add a video. So you will find all of these different options given here. We have announcement bar, header, footer, image, and text. Just scroll down to add section. In add section, you will be able to search for any section you want to add. Let's search for video. There you go. Click on it and the section will be added. Now we can add any kind of video to this section. Click on the video and we'll open up the settings for you. First, give your video a heading. Let's call it t-shirts. Then we have heading size. If it's going to be small, medium, or large, let's go with small. Now we have this one right here. Cover image. So if you want to add a thumbnail or a cover image to your video, you can also do that. So you can add it here. Then we have URL. So we can get URL from any website or YouTube to add to our website. So I'm just going to remove this one. Just go to the website or your YouTube, wherever you have the video. Get the URL and paste it right here. So I copied the link from YouTube and I'm going to paste it here. It will find the video for you. Here we have it. I will scroll down to alt text. Then we can add any text here. We have color scheme, any background you want to add, section padding. Once done, click on save and your video will be saved on Shopify. And this way you will be able to add a video in your store. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.